Students, we are on the next exercise of chapter number 3, and this exercise is related with the types of pronoun. Let's see what is the question. The question is identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronouns. Here we are given with 4 statements and we have to identify which kind of pronoun is being used in this sentence. The first is, this is my book. So here we have pronoun my. So my is possessive pronoun. Then we have Salman is absent because he is absent. Here the word he is used, which is personal pronoun. Then we have you will hurt yourself. Yourself is here a pronoun which is a reflexive pronoun. Then the last is nobody was there to rescue the child. So here nobody is a pronoun which is indefinite pronoun because we don't know about the somebody who rescued the child. That's why we call it indefinite pronoun. So student, I hope you understand the exercise of pronouns. Let's move to the next exercise.